Hey. Guys, we're in Mississippi. Thrifting once again. This is like day 4 of the thrifting expedition. We're about to jump into Trail Wheel. Let's see if it sucks like all the others.
Why'd I just come up though, baby? Why'd I just come up to bless the accident's feet, dude? Man, my baby gonna be tiptoeing in their Jordans. You dig? Jordan 4s matching the shopping basket. You got the Concord 11 lows. Perfect. And then you got the Adidas Superstars. They also got some 6s, some 13s, but these are the most affordable ones, so you already know, gotta cash out on the Baby J. Bro, look on the clothing rack, dude. They got the Polo Ralph Lauren little plaid John, and then show them the salmon, dude. Let them see the pink one time for the city, man. And a little Nautica trunk. Delicious. The homie, man, just pulled off some beautiful pieces. I'm not even gonna lie, man, my introduction in the car was just straight bullshit. All right, straight bullshit. They got the fire in here. Look at this. Grail, first store of the day. The Polo Bear by Ralph Lauren. Boy playing tennis, looking like Andre Agassi with the racket. Boy smacking. Damn, that's one ferocious yellow bone bear. Nice. Yo, that Goodwill smacked like a motherfucking abusive parent. Dude, it had hella heat. Wait, let me catch you back, dude. Let me just, visuals, bro. Visuals. And that's just the first door of the day. Store. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're at the second spot, which is gonna suck. I'm just saying that in hopes that me jinxing it will actually provide the heat. So, let's get it. I just want to tell you something real quick. The jinxing technique is working. For the accident. Phoenix Suns champion jersey. Wow. Chats Ralph Lauren jacket. Look at the color blocking. Look at the little pocket for narcotics. And look at the hood stripe. Wow, dude. This is a nice desert sandstorm bagel colorway. That deep ocean blue. Get it. Oh my. Look at that little bit of lavender. That Christian Dior Montessor V-neck sweater. Look at that Dior embroidery. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. It's like 120% cashmere. Come on, bro. Go ahead, let it out. I know you want to say it. Come on, bro.
I actually can't say it.
Bro, let it out, dog.
Right, come on, tell him.
You guys know, man, the best head is that duck head. You dig. They have a herringbone texture, duck head, long sleeve polo, and look at that neck. Jeez. All right, guys, we're out of that store. I'm going to keep letting these stores prove me wrong when I talk shit about them initially, because, bro, I came up, this jacket goes stupid, and it's raining, so it's just absolutely perfect. Got a nice small sack, pause, but also amazing. All right, damn, I just dropped my phone. All right, guys, we went like 1 mile down the street to Jacob's Well Thrift. Looks terrible. Let's see. Bro, instantly, new school but still cool, liquid blue, Grateful Dead tee. Wow. I'm gonna keep jinxing these stores all day. Dude, the accoutrement section is just always banging. You have Bert and Ernie on the motorcycle with this sidecar, and you have the little Magic Kingdom Mickey. He's super old, so we can tell by the eye.
Tripping.
Yeah, it's wild. All right, y'all. We just jumped into yet another store. We're in Mississippi, and this crew neck has words of wisdom all over it, man. Don't worry. Be happy. That duck is big chilling with the pina colada. It says duck you. Nice made in USA Santa Fe sweats. Man, this is just a clean vintage piece. Got to. Vibrant as hell with the green. Guys, look at this banger I just copped in the women's section. High pink. Lord have mercy. 100% silk. Those worms we're putting in work. Just know that. Yeah. We have the little horseman over here. Oh man, give me a ride. Old school style, baby. That's sexy daddy. I gotta get it. Man, we also got a magnificent little blue M&M shirt right there. Oh my god. Guys, in the button-up section, dude, they had crazy color blocks. Slim fit, you dig? This one is newer, but these go off, bro. Like, look at these huge, bold color block button-ups. And then this one has that little half denim, half stripe design. That is so sick. All right, I also think I gotta grab this sweater. This thing is just beautiful. 100% yarn, granny swag. Granddad now. All right, guys, we just popped out. It's raining cats, dogs, bitches, and pussies, so that's gonna get my video demonetized. So, yeah, I mean, I got like 5 things of Fat Sack of Flame. Shut up, Mississippi, man. Slept on, but they got the heat. Okay. Let's get it. Got that black bear tee. All right, guys, we just jumped into a store in Louisiana, man. We got some feminist activist shit going on here. And not to be confused, I said activist, not activist.
Pull it up.
But also, man, I found a couple of iced out vintage pieces. You got the Pensacola Ice Flyers, the Golden Eagle looking lethal, gripping the puck. Ice Flyers, look at that graphic. Homeboy got the goggles on, got the Jets, and then we found a few more noteworthy tees. Vintage Walt Disney World tee, blue. You also got the Super Bowl champs, Washington Redskin potatoes. You also have Dare to Resist Drugs, the tee, and then you got the Burr tee. Yeah, I've been to this store in like February. It's smacking. Look at this, another one. Store's going crazy. Got the Iron Maiden tee. Look at this ghoul, Hanes heavyweight. Come on, man, you guys know what time it is. Bruh.
I saw it first.
King of New York shit.
I think I saw it first.
That's sick.
You think so?
That's a good joke.
Yeah. Look at that. Twin Towers, too. Dang. God, this store is packing. Peep it, dude. Brooks and... Okay, yeah, just test out the vacuum right now. Brooks and Dunn crazy 90s color block. You already know. Wow. They also got the Dallas Cowboys pennant clock. You joking me? Whoops. And shout out this high school dude coming through with the quality champion color block gear. Champion. Guys, peep this too. Just chilling in the sneaker section. The Jordan Fire Red 5s for $9. Oh my god, what size are these? Bro, we gotta find the size. Fuck.
10.
Instant cop. Insta cop. Jeez. Alright, guys. Yeah, I just stepped in a giant puddle. But yeah, we just jumped out of Goodwill, man. Got the Fire Red 5s on deck. I stepped in a giant puddle trying to record that little clip. My hands are stuffed. Shout out this store. This is the first Goodwill that has came through on the entire trip super heavily. So, fuck with me.
Fuck with me.
And that is all she wrote, folks. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Basically, that night we just hauled our butts all the way from Mississippi back into Texas. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed those road trip to the thrifts. But I am back. Still got a video from Los Angeles to drop, and then we will show you guys a new crib and get into some customizations as well. I'm very excited to finally be back home. But in other news, man, please go ahead and check out my vintage store if you guys need vintage clothes. It is thriftheavenvintage.com. The link is in the description. Also, follow me on Instagram and turn on the bell for notifications, please. YouTube is not populating a lot of you guys' feeds with my videos, so if you hit that little bell button, that definitely helps. But yeah, I appreciate all you guys dropping comments. For those people who did win the little comment giveaway, trust me, I will be finding you guys some gear and getting in touch with the rest of y'all that DM me shortly. But anyways, live the dream, eat that ice cream. Choked on a jelly bean. Peace.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get